Join me as I take on the challenge of powering an entire LED project with just one battery. Let's see if I can make this work. Creating a simple LED battery-powered project is an awesome way to have fun and learn something new. Not only will we be making something that lights up, but we'll also get to understand the basics of electronics and how to work with batteries and LEDs. When it comes to powering LEDs, a lot of people face some common challenges. One of the biggest ones is figuring out the right voltage requirements for the LED. You see, LEDs are pretty picky when it comes to voltage, and if you don't get it just right, they might not light up at all, or they might even burn out. Another challenge people face is dealing with battery life. When you're working with a single battery, you want to make sure it's going to last long enough to power your project. You don't want it to die on you after just a few hours, especially if you're planning to use it for something important. And finally, there's the issue of selecting the right components for your project. You need to choose the right LED, the right battery, and the right resistor to make sure everything works together smoothly. It can be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're new to electronics. So, how do we overcome these challenges and create a successful LED battery-powered project? Well, it all starts with selecting the right materials. For this project, we'll be using a standard 9-volt battery, a 1 kΩ resistor, and a bright blue LED. The first step is to connect the positive terminal of the battery to one end of the resistor. Make sure you get the resistor orientation correct, or it won't work properly. Then, we'll connect the other end of the resistor to the positive leg of the LED. Again, make sure you get the LED orientation correct, or it won't light up. Next, we'll connect the negative leg of the LED to the negative terminal of the battery. And that's it. Our circuit is complete. It's a pretty simple design, but it's one that works really well for powering a single LED with a 9-volt battery. As I connect the final wire, I'm getting a little excited. Will the LED light up? Will our project actually work? I'm about to find out. Yes. The LED is lit. It's a beautiful bright blue color, and it's shining brightly. I have to say, it's always a great feeling when a project comes together like this. Seeing the LED light up for the first time is a huge moment. It's a reminder that, with some basic knowledge of electronics and a few simple components, we can create something truly amazing. It's a great motivator to keep learning and experimenting with new projects. So, let's recap what we've done so far. We've identified the common challenges of powering LEDs, selected the right materials for our project, and assembled our simple LED circuit. And with just a single 9-volt battery, we've managed to create a functional and fun project. Thanks for joining me on this project, everyone. If you're working on your own DIY